to join the TMC. And when I took this decision, a lot of my close friends, my dear near supporters, मुगेले मुझ बरो भोंवता थे, मुगे फॅमिली, माय फॅन फॉलोइंग, हांवें कोणाक कॉन्फिडन्स थोड्या जाणांक कॉन्फिडन्स घेन ड्यू टू डिफरंट conditions, I took a decision, we took a decision to join the Trinamool Congress. See, people of Kurtori are, what they told me is that it is better. My supporters, I was roaming with the constituency. I was roaming with people. हांव वाडवा मडा भोंवता आसतना मुगे लोकां घेवन भोंवता न्ही. तेका हय ते म्हणटाय वी प्रिफर यू. We prefer you on Congress. Yeah, we prefer you on a Congress party. तूं कितें हें कोत्ता, तूं वोट स्प्लीट कोत्तलो म्हणटाय ते. तेंगे ते तो कितें म्हणटाय, तूं वोट स्प्लीट कोन्न आनी कोणा फायद पडटा म्हणटाय ते. तें कोन्न नाका. We are there with you म्हणटाय ते. We are with you in person for what work you have done in the constituency. They are with you for whatever you have done for so many years. एक सामान्य मनशाक तुवें पळय काम केलां, आमी तुजे बारबो आहाय म्हूण. But see if you can avoid this thing. And I have to listen to the people. Finally, a leader has to listen to the people. So I have listened to the people. And
Michael Logan he will help to rejoin Congress.
Rejoin ticket is important.
See, he has tweeted, and he has also spoken to me to come back to the Congress. Finally, I am a people's man. I told you, I will do what the people say. Preference of the people is that we join the Congress party.
दरम्यान हालीच काँग्रेस पक्षांत गेल्लो मायकल रेजिनाल्डाक तिकीट दितले काय ना हाचेर कितें म्हणटा ते पळयात.
That is with the party to decide whether they will take him or not. Congress party will decide whether Reginald will be taken back or not. On my personal way, I have tweeted that because he was earlier always with the Congress, and it is very good that who has left the Congress, he has not jumped from the Congress to in the government. He had resigned to contest on other political parties because the term is over. Like how I have resigned from BJP and I have joined Congress. I am going to contest on Congress. Same way he has resigned from Congress and wanted to contest on TMC. He's realized that TMC is no good for him, so he wants to join back Congress.
Good sir.
There is nothing wrong in that.
Reginald
That is with the party to decide, not me.
रेजिनाल्डाक तिकीट हे जाल्ले पूण
Ticket already declared.
झालं तरी रिजायन जालो आणि टीएमसी.
I have no comments on that. I have only tweeted.
इतले मजगतीं काँग्रेस वांगड्यांची आयतारा राती 1:30 बसका जाली. इतले रातीची कसली बसका असो प्रश्न लोकांक पडल्या बगर रावना.
इलेक्शन स्ट्रॅटेजी
सर रेजिनाल्ड
म्हाका कांयच खबर ना. हांव फक्त स्टेटमेंट पळयलां दॅट ही इज सबमिटेड रिजिग्नेशन. कोणाक सबमीट केलां कितें केलां तेंय खबर ना.
ना तूं काँग्रेस जॉइन जावपाक
दॅट हॅज टू बी डिसायडेड इन दिल्ली. आय डोंट नो.